Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the fingerprint in your Xiaomi Mi 9. Do this operation, go to the settings here, password and security, and you can add the fingerprint unlock here. You need to enter the second lock. For now we're gonna get the pin. Got it? To remember it. Continue. Okay. And now add the fingerprint by touching the screen here. You should make it a few times. It's done. So now try it. As you see, it's beautiful here place for our finger. Wow, it looks really great, but just it's working. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.